As automation becomes more integral to the manufacturing process, companies need to ensure the safety of machine operators. To do this, monitoring and locking access points to machines with an interlock switch have become commonplace. The switches are normally restricted to two types: locking or non-contact, at least until KEYENCE's new hybrid interlock switch, the GSM. A bright and easily visible LED indicator lets you know when your door is opened, closed, or locked immediately. The safety outputs can be easily configured so that they turn on when the door is locked or when the door is just closed, giving you the choice between non-contact or locking in one unit. Either way, once the locking signal is sent to the unit, the GSM will apply a strong and sturdy locking force. To simplify the installation process, the GSM has a permanent magnet built into it, eliminating the need for extra components like latches. Using this built-in magnet, the GSM can spring out to secure a door, even if there's a doorstop present. With the GSM's large and perfectly flat surface, common locking problems like the pin getting stuck, misalignment, or repeatability aren't a concern for you anymore. Moreover, the actuator is designed to tilt back and forth, which helps out when doors tend to sag over time, or if the door just has a tight turning radius. With multiple compact body styles to offer, the GSM can be used in any application, including specific models for hinged or sliding doors. All of the GSM units can be connected multiple ways, whether it's hardwiring to terminals on a safety relay, plugging into a GC link port, or using KEYENCE's new wire-saving unit in combination with our Y connectors. If you'd like to see the new GSM interlock in person, contact your local safety expert or call 888-KEYENCE.